Hi everyone, welcome back to my video. Today we are going to study about the word makes in 10 ways. Okay, the word makes means so many ways in English. But today I choose only 10 meanings in English. Okay, go to the lesson together. 10 makes. Number one, what does it mean? Makes, to produce something, often using a particular substance or material. To produce something, make something, produce something, use a particular substance or material. By using a particular substance to make something, to produce something. Or we can say to make a film or television program is to direct, produce it, or act in it. Okay, let's have a look at the example together. I make breakfast every day. Every day I make breakfast. Produce breakfast. Often using pan and something more. The film was made by Progress Production. Was made. Was produced. Okay, passive voice. Continue. He's making a film out of the class. A film out of the class. Produce. To make a film, to produce a film or television program. The word make. We can use like this. Okay, number two, makes means that to cause something. To cause something. To cause something, the reason that something happened. The reason that something happened. Or we can say to cause something. Let's have a look at the example together. Just seeing Woody Allen's face is enough to make me laugh. To cause me to laugh. Cause somebody to do, but make somebody do. Okay, the same way. But cause we use with preposition to, but makes we use without preposition. Okay, let's have a look more example together. The white tip as his shirt collar made him look like a choir boy. Choir boy. Made him look. The reason that he looked like a choir boy caused him to look like a choir boy. Make mean that to cause something. To cause something. Okay. Continue. I hate him because he makes me cry. The reason that I cry is him. He is the person that make me cry. Okay, go to the second slide together. Number three, makes means that to be or become something. To be or become something. Usually by having the necessary characteristic. To be or become. Okay, pay attention together. Makes means to be or become. Let's have a look at the example together. Hector and Wanda make a delightful couple. Become or be a delightful couple. couple, wives and husband. Hector and Wanda become or be, or we can say are. Okay? In present simple, are to be in present simple, are a delightful couple, or we can say become a delightful couple. Continue everybody. She decided the back room would make a good study, become a good study, or be would be a good study. Decided the back room would be a good study. To be or become. Make. Number 4. Makes. The word makes. What does it mean, everybody? Number 4. To perform an action. To perform an action. To do the action. To do the action or to perform an action. Makes. Let's have a look at the example together. She made a short speech. Made a short speech. She speak. They could make about 20 miles a day. 20 miles a day. They could make about 20 miles a day. Try, walk, ride bicycle. But we use the word make. It means perform an action. Maybe walk or ride bicycle, try or ride horse. Moral, everybody, number 5, makes. Means that to force someone or something to do something. Make mean that to force someone. Command somebody to do something. Especially something that they don't want to do. But sometimes the situation force someone or force something. Okay, let's have a look at the example together. You can't make me do what I don't want to. You can't make me do what I don't want to. You can't force me to do what I don't want to. Okay. Make. It means to force someone to do something. More example, I was made to wait 4 hours before I was examined by a doctor. Okay, was made to passive voice. Okay, for the word make somebody do in active voice. But in passive voice, we use with preposition to. I was made to wait. But in active, make somebody do without to. Okay, please remember the different way between active voice and passive voice for the word made. For the word make. Okay. My parents always make me do my homework before I go to bed. Make me do. Make me do. Force me to do my homework before I go to bed. Okay, everybody, go to the third slide together. Number 6, make. To produce a total when added together. Or we can say calculate. Calculate something, especially mathematics. Okay, let's have a look at the example together. There are 9 people coming plus me, which makes 10. Plus me, which makes 10. 9 and 1 makes 10. Okay, calculate or produce a total together. 3 and 2 make 5. 3 and 2 make 5. Okay, calculate together. Number 7, make, to earn or get. To earn money or get money, make. For example, make money. Okay, make money. Okay, look at the example together. They made a profit of 30 million pounds. They made a profit. Do you know the word profit? I think make money. For example, you spend $200 to buy a thing, and then you sell it, and you get $300. $100 is a profit. They made a profit of 30 million pounds. She makes $100,000 a year as a doctor. Makes $100,000. Earn $100,000 a year. For example, I make $200 a month. I can earn $200 in a month, per month. Okay, more number 8. Make means that to arrive at, or arrive in, or reach, especially successfully. Wow, makes means arrive. Okay, let's have a look at the example together. I don't think we are going to make the town before nightfall. I don't think we are going to make the town before nightfall. Make the town, arrive in the town before nightfall. Okay. Could you make a meeting at 1 p.m.? She made it to the airport just in time to catch her plane. Made it to. Okay, we can use made it to means that arrive or reach. Arrive in, arrive at. Okay, she arrived at the airport just in time to catch her plane. Okay, go to the third slide. Okay, sorry, the fourth slide. Okay, number 9, make. Number 1 to number 8, the word make. Okay, are verbs, but now number 9, make is noun. Okay, part of speech, noun. The name of a particular product, or the name of the company that makes it, that makes product. The name of product or the name of the company. Let's have a look at the example together. What make is your car? What make is your car? Toyota, Honda. It's one of the most popular makes of smartphone on the market. The most popular products. Okay, makes mean the name of products or the name of the company. I like your belt. What make is it? What make is it? Petrol? Taxi? Okay, I don't know. Now, number 10. Number 10 is not a word, but I want to show you about the make somebody feel. The expression with make. Make somebody feel plus adjective without to be. Adjective we can be placed. Adjective can be placed after to be or after linking word. But we can use make somebody without feel, without linking verb, without to be, with adjective. With adjective. Let's have a look at the example together. Walking in the rain made me feel sick. Okay, we can leave out the word feel. We can use made somebody, made me without the word feel, without to be. But we can use with adjective. Made me sick. Okay. In the bracket, the word feel in the bracket, it means that we can leave out or we can out it out. The movie makes me feel sad. Sad. Makes me feel sad. Or we can say the movie makes me sad. Okay. More. Visiting Angkor Wat makes me feel excited. Makes me excited. For example, the weather makes me depressed. Makes me depressed. Okay, finish this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Okay, see you next time.